And that is a beautiful applause from our creatives. Langibona basilethelana namuhla. I'm your host Mxolisi Dlamini. This is the first ever episode of Eswatini as Voices Indaba. Lapho khona phela sitawugudlutana. Silelana nje sinilethele onke ama creatives from all the different regions in the kingdom. Either uqhamuka kaHowe, Shiselweni, Lubombo, bonke balana. Batele wena ngwane kepha ngihambe ngedwa ke ngihamba naye Sweet Melanin Welive.
Sanibonani babukeli, igama lami nguNtemde Dlamini. Namhla sizobe sikhulumisa indzaba yama-National Arts and Culture Awards 2026 nalamanye ema-programs aka-Arts and Culture. Namhla-ke asihambi sofana, sihamba naye Manzini Regional Officer Zakithi Dlamini. Into sicocela ngalamanye ema-programs lakhona aka-Arts and Culture nala runako currently. Siyabonga Nkosi, thank you for joining us today.
Siyabonga kakhulu Dlamini. Sanibonani babukele emakhaya, libito lami ngizakithi Dlamini njengoba bebasangibikile. I'm the Manzini Regional Officer. Siyingkhabave maye siyabonga namhla ukuthi Eswatini Arts Voices azivakashele in our arts offices. Arts offices ethu ke ngicela nje kucala lapho ukuthi art offices ethu atholakala kaManzini Catholic Shopping Complex, shop number 5 ngila khona usithola khona opposite Centriza, i-complex khona kuna fitness zone. Ngilapho ke la sithola khona. Our contacts, you can call us 7669 2952 2545 4437. Utasishayela ke uyasithola. Namhla ke sidabe sicocisana ke ngendzaba yemanaka, indzaba lesematheni kulamalanga. National Arts and Culture Awards namhlanje sinananka ema-creatives ngeke ngithi ami odwa aqhamuka from all the different regions, aqhamuka eLibombo, aqhamuka kaHoho, aqhamuka eShiselweni namuhla. Sidabe senda yona i-live session. I'm sure ukuthi nonke niyayati i-live session sesiyi-introduceile, sesibe nawo ema-episodes lang 3 la ranile. This is our 4th episode. Ngicela nisijoyine for our live sessions. Our live sessions endeka after 2 weeks, every month. Ngiyangiva mosbonkos? After 2 weeks, every month. Namuhla itabe iqala our live session kulo July. Sitabe phinze sibe nayo ke our live session letawendeka phinze on July. La khona our creatives are showcase their talent. This is a place la khona si develop talent lakho, we groom it, nawe ukhule ukhone ukutiphilisa ngalo talent lakho. Njengoba ke bese sishito ke indzaba lesematheni, indzaba yema-National Arts and Culture Awards. I would like to thank Inkhabave Ngosami. Ngiyayibona Inkhabave iyangichaza Ngosami, ngiyayibona iyahamba embili, ngiyabona Ngosami ema-nominations. Ngicela nichubeke Inkhabave, make us proud creatives. Inkhabave ngenelane ema-nominations. Ama-nominations amanzini ayavalwa August 10 ayagcina. Nominations August 10 siyagcina. So Inkhabave, please come through. Ngibonile bakhona in all of the categories, akhona performance arts bakhona ngibabonile. Manje-ke ngicela phinze ku encourage laba baka schools. Ngicela ikhona i-schools arts category. Buyani bantu bakethu, buyani nijoyine sibatshengise ukuthi Inkhabave iphethene. Ngicela ke kubisela tintsambo kuma-hostel kuma-hostel.
Siyabonga kakhulu Nkosi usichazela kangaka. Bekuyangami thina na Sweet Melanin ngase sizoyisasukuma siyahamba. Kepha ke no asiketeli kusukuma sihambe Nkosi sitele nje kona khulumisana ema-creatives ethu. Mhlawumbe singeva nje from ma-creatives ethu ukuthi ngalama awards nikena wazama yini khona nje lokho kwanominate lana longa maybe longa encourage nalomunye umflo omusha phela naye lonelikhono nelisiko akhone ukuthi Nkosi yami amana join lama awards because batawusitakala kakhulu phasi kwa arts and culture.
Linjani igama lami ngiluyanda mali ngichamuka eMpaka eLubombo region. About the Naka Awards ngifakile i-team yami kuma nominations. I encourage nalamanye ema youth nalamanye ema young artists and other artists from all the regions to also put themselves to the nominations so that nabo babonakale babe validated ngemsebenzi wabo. Because to be honest, we as a youth, we need such platform to promote us, to push us to better our future. Nikuthi nasi imisebenzi yethu iyadeserve ukuthi ibonakale, iyadeserve ukuthi ibe validated to the arts industry. Kude lokungakale ngingakusho kungaba ngiloko nje ukuthi i-encouragement yami ukuthi wonke lo youth afile for le nomination eManakas so that naye abone ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe akagcini nje lapho kuye kuphela but uyabonakala naye abe validated naye abe celebrated naye abe part of the conversations ema-artist lenda i-difference in their field, be it music, be it dance, be it acting, be it every art category is there within the nomination. Ema nominations ase open for every artist lo vangathi angafaka so that atoba celebrated kule field yakhe la yendako.
Yes. Angicabanga ukuthi singaphinde sifune ukuvumelana ukuthi angabe manje in terms of challenges angathi inkosi ukuthi ungabathini wena.
Ngiyabonga Nkosi. Singabuda nje ukuthi nisa-nominate akhona yini ma-challenges leni benawo nje like lama steps la khona la straightforward noma khona ma-challenges leni benawo nisa-nominate?
Thus far on my side, I mean, I haven't, since came in ngingumfulo curious and ngingumfulo wenda research. As long as ngibone my instructions, I think I'm all set. As for me, in my case, so far, I mean, I've never faced any challenge. Na lenye iyuthi nje ikile yang balele yase Putluyanda lapha wenda kanjani ngamchazela naye. And naye usitakele ungikhombisile ne evidence. Kuthi na kuvele ukhonile naye ukuthi fileisha for nomination, which is a good thing uyabona kambe, because mawuva ngathi maybe like mawufuna kwenta info awumele usabe kwamele ubude, because kubuda mawumfu kuyakusida uyabona. So far I haven't have a challenge like in terms of the fitting yonke info kimbe straightforward.
Okay.
Yes.
To add on that, kulenza by my challenges. Sikhona sing arts and culture ma creatives, please come through to our offices njengoba bengisengilishilo office lethu ukuthi litholakala kuphi. Come through sikhonela nini ukuthi sitonisita ukuthi nitokhona nani kujoinela emanaka. Mangabe ke asengithi awukhona lokufinyelela ukuthi vele ude ema officeini ethu njengoba bese ngitfakile inombolo tami 76692952 for Manzini. Please call that number 25454633 for Manzini. Please call that number. Another thing, we also have la khona sifakile khona ka Facebook ukuthi mangabe uhluleka in all the other regions akhona ema contacts la khona nita khona kuchumana khona nabo regional officers benu bakhona kunisita. Li Facebook page yethu ke Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture la khona litawuthola yonke imininingwane yethu lenifunako lemayelana nge-council. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm wondering ukuthi angabe khona lo mnyelo lo office le kubhoboka thithe ngema awards from our creatives la khona noma ngabe sofuna kubuta ngiso sikhathi sekubuta lephinde sicocisane kabanti ngaso bongozi.
Bengicela kubuda mphathi. So mawufile for nomination ngicela kubuda nje asengisi am I allowed to file myself for different categories? Asengisi nje mina ngifuna ukufile 5 categories. Am I allowed to do that? Because lamanye ema awards I restrictor avama kusho ukuthi no, you only file one category, not 3 or 5. Ngiloko nje lengafuna ukucacisela kiko.
Yes. Lokukahle ngalama awards nawucela nje kucala ngeteam yethu yalonyaka isho khona ithi from recognition to development. Le team lena ke ilethwa ngule program le align nama awards ethu ku 2026 lesibuta ngithi Eswatini National Music Development Program. Under le program lena sifuna ukuthi after lama awards ungatholi indondo kuphela mawuye ekhaya. Uphinze ukhona ukuthi ube trained under le program le National Music Development Program lapho khona sifise ukuthi at least sikhiphe 140 industry professionals kubo it could be technical bo sound engineering phinze ngala ku music and nangala kubo what you call bo PR for musicians yabona tindlela nje tekwathi ukuthi musician umaketha kanjani icareer yakho yabona how do you go about ngabo public relations tindo letinjalo. So kulama hours lawa nangabe wena uyipoet phinze uyahlabela you are free to join the musician phinze uthi nominate but as an actress because I believe akhona ma actress manje lo actress la namunye lo ngasitshela how has it been since nje the journey of acting in the kingdom?
Sanibonani ekhaya, igama lami ngiyangiphamela ngakwaNdlovu ngisuka kaLavumisa. Kona ngicala ngaqala ngaba nemahloni but ngisachubeka ngagcina angisenawo. Yeah.
Okay, in terms of opportunities sis, because thingi mina nje sengubonile kuma lives angasho ukuthi ngubone kangaka but nje sengubona in terms of opportunities is where do you want to see yourself maybe with the help of Eswatini National Council of Arts and Culture?
Ngifisile ukuthi nami ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ngigcine sengivela kubo Swazi TV, bo Channel A, umbesi naleyo short movie leziyendako siyuti nje.
Okay. Do you have another actor in the room?
Senivusele nonke maswati amahle emakhaya ligama ngusikhulu Ncaba Mavuso ngibuya kaHoho ePhleni. So in the journey of acting National Arts and Culture uyasibambisa kakhulu kokuthi akhona ukusichumanisa nalabo labata siphatha insita kusebenta dekwekuthi sikhona ukuchubeka sipromote noma ke sikhulise lelikhono lethu leli le-actor noma ke lekulingisa. Kuyasita kakhulu lokho kusichumanisa nalabantu labanalama opportunities lawa leswadingako ukuthi sikhule. So lokubalekile kithi ukuthi sitimisele sibambisane naye Arts and Culture kokuthi sikhona ukuthi siphakamise lithalenta lethu lesinalo simaswati as a youth. Thank you.
Kevakala ngosiyami ngumkhaya wami Sweetmelane ngiya nami ngiwasePhleni.
Okay, siyabonga. Ngicela kubuda nje ukuthi la kule field ya acting kuplan vangazi ukuthi Arts and Culture angachubeka anibambise khona.
Kule field of acting ngicabanga ukuthi National Arts and Culture angasibambisa ngokuthi kuletinye tema 13 noma ke ma projects akhona ukuthi mhlambe asincede ngekusifanda kuze sikhona ukuthi nathi umsebenzi wethu usiqhuqhudele ukuthi sente kangcono ngoba kuyaye kube ebhlungu ukuthi usebente uthi na usebenta ukhanze ukuthi kude loku kuqhuqhudelako lokuthi uchubeke instead uluza kuphela. So lokho ukuthi nje abe nekusibambisa noma abakusikwethi usipha le mali but leti insita kusebenta tethi sikhona ukupromote lo msebenzi wethu weku-actor lokho ke kungasidududela kakhulu nathi simaswati la sesemasha kokuthi sichubekele empili.
Okay. Thank you.
Akevakala mkhaya indzaba yakho mkhaya itawuhanjelwa ngemembili mkhaya noma phela bathi charity begins at home kepha ke ngiyayibona iflag seyihambe yafika kusisi. Unjani Nkosi lapho?
Ngiyaphila ninjani babukeli?
Siyaphila.
Ligama lami nginguNonduduzo Nzimanze. Ngiswa emafutheni the Manzini region. Ngi-actress. Qinisweni lonke sonke sifuna ukuthi ibona se-screenini kakhulu nje thina lesi-actako siyafisa kuba lapha one day and make it possible. But ke sinema challenges esikhathini esiningi, sinema challenges financially. Kwanza uthasathi ukuthi singakuliphi i-office sibangasita kuphi bese esikhathini esiningi sesigcina sidifanda thina info lesingayikhoni emva kwaloko emkhathini nemovie asisakhona ukuthi sicethe se-equipment iphindze cause kude longakuboleka equipment mahala vele bafuna ukuthi ubhadale imali kanti uthi asisakhona kanti sesinezifiso esikhulu ukuthi sitibone sesescreening one day. So bengicela nje ngosiyami i-professional help nalapho le financial help.
Ngicabanga ukuthi le ingaphendula nguManzini Regional Officer sale tintambo sitibuyisela kuwe.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga Nkosi.
Siyabonga kakhulu sesivile ukuthi sinawo ema-creatives ethu sesivile ukuthi sinabo badlali baseshashalazini. Umbuto wasisi ngathi ngumbuto lokuthi bangasitakala kanjani ukuthi bakhone lokuthi bakhulise lelikhono labo when it comes to equipment, when it comes to logistics. Sineke sing Arts and Culture, sine association lesisebenta nayo, sibita ngekuthi i-Film and Television Association. La khona si encourage ukuthi wonke muntu mangabe ungala kubo acting angenele leyo association ayijoyine. That is after you have joined under the Manzini region. La khona bese sesiyakuqhuqhutela ukuthi please also join kule association utokhona kuba nebalingani bakho nitosharisha umcondo munye batokhona futhi bakubambise lapho khona ungadzinga khona lusito. Akusiyo kuphela ke i-Film and Television Association, we also have the other association for all the different art courts. Sinawo ka dance, sinawo ka music, we also have visual arts, we also have fashion, we also have exhibitors. So please come through, join Arts and Culture mangabe ufuna kukhulisa likhono lakho, ubuye futhi ujoyine live sessions. La khona akusita ukuthi ukhone kuperform, usijwayele stage, phindze ukhone kukhulisa your confidence. Thank you so much. Sicela kubonga kuye Eswatini Arts Voices ukuzivakashela namuhla. Sethemba ukuthi anigcine namuhla nidobele lokho nizivakashela. nje.
Kuyinjokodo ke kuva ukuthi lawo ama-programs lawo endawo eSwatini National Council of Arts and Culture lafaka khona ema-Friday live sessions nendeka kayi-2 ngenyanga yinye ayayiletha i-confidence kubantu labasha abashido labanye bathi Nkosi yami but likhona lelithemba lokuthi Nkosi yami khona la sibheka khona i-confidence ijolile basho njalo Sweet Melanin. Siyathemba ukuthi nawe nje usekhaya utakhuthateka ukuthi phela ude la ka-Arts and Culture utotibonela ukuthi angabe wena ungasidala ngakuphi njengoba ke sishido ukuthi kunema projects la wendawo Arts and Culture la announce aletako kushintsha yonke le sector. Kungaba kahle ngwane ukuthi wena igama lakho libe selingala ngakithi libe selibhaliwe etincwadini letingcwele kwasho bafundisi Sweet Melanin.
Until next time, siyabonga babukeli.
Thanks a lot.